G'day DIYers, got us a nice new project. Got a little bit of a bike off the Libon coin on the French website that's like Gumtree or eBay kind of thing. Sells second-hand goods. So this bike is a Redline Random. She's got the pro gearing, little mini 8 tooth back sprocket and a 25 tooth front sprocket. She's got the double wall Alex rims, all chrome moly frame. I think the headset's titanium, forks are chrome moly. She's a ripper, mate. 60 euros I managed to get this for. It's going to be a great little project for the channel. So what's wrong with it is the sprocket on the front is not locating into the correct hole. So the pin for the crank arm should be in this hole, and it's all bent and flogged out, loose as a goose. So what we'll do is I want to try and fix this, and just to get it up and running so I can order the parts to replace it. But in the meantime I can test it and make sure the back one's good as well, and actually go to the skate park, do some rides and just see how it goes, give it a good rip. We got a bit of chainsaw action today. Right. Oh yeah, so that crank arm's come loose. Clearly a gap there. Oh, there's your problem, straight off the bat. That's tight. Guess we're missing a washer. Oh yeah, that's really tight. So how is that loose? Whew. Yeah, we're definitely missing a washer or something's going on here. Just want to see if it bottoms out. Could be some gunk in the threads or why that's not pulling on tight. That's what I want to work out. No. That goes all the way in. Okay, so that sits on there. Well, it's meant to. The other arm's good. So what's going on with this one? Okay, that's not bad. So my question is, why is it not pulling? Oh, see, that's going to bottom out on there. It should sit like that. And this is going to be barely in there. I guess we just need another washer. There's a washer on that side. That might be a problem. Hey, look, that side's loosey-goosey. Oh, and look, this is way in. Oh, the crank is 2 washers. Oh, I think we found the problem. Oh yeah. It's pulling it in good. Okay, so let's have a look. Maybe if we put this one in here, this might bring this back out enough to actually locate properly. That's my theory anyway. Okay, getting somewhere. Oh yeah, that's pulling it up tight now. Oh yeah. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh, that's much better. Oh yeah, look at that. I think we can take this for a ride now. Awesome. Well, we're away. Let's go to the skate park. Seems to be fiddling up good, mates. Can't complain yet. Let's see how long it lasts. I've got my skateboard on my back just in case she flogs out. At least we can still have a ride on same. Whoa, somebody should learn to cut with water. Oh no, it's a car. It's gonna blow up. Holy. Oh, she just heats these. Woo! Is there anyone in there? It's cooked it. Whose car is this? Is your car? You want me to push? We'll push here. Attention. What were the chances of coming across that, eh? Crazy. Oh, hopefully there's still enough light left to get to the skate park. Now my shoe is so oily, it's slippery as anything, and on the plastic pedal, mate, not cool. Oh no, this is not good. Oh well. Hopefully the oil comes off with a bit of skateboarding or something. Get some grip. Try to get a bit of sand into the shoe. Bit of gravel. Soak up the oil. Oh yeah, it's a bit better. Nevertheless, made it to the skate park. Salut, ça va bien? Oh, it's bloody good. Alright, time to ride home. That was an awesome ride. She made it 5 kilometers. The old Cranky Karen, mate, she rips. Can't go wrong. And I'll tell you what, I must have done, I don't know, heaps of laps of the skate park. A few big ears. It was all good. Bloody great fun. I can't wait to get more used to it and have some more fun.